Ha! You won't believe this. Installing or upgrading outlets just got a whole lot easier. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can do it now. Just because of this new feature that's built into these new switches, it's going to change the way outlets are installed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a long-time subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, of course. So, the future of electrical DIY is officially here, thanks to Leviton's new innovation, the Decora Edge series. Now, if you follow my channel, you know how awesome these little Wagyu 221 wire connectors are and how easy I think they are to work with whenever you're installing outlets or any electrical device for that matter. So imagine if your standard outlet and your Wagyu 221 connectors had a baby. Now, imagine if they did have a baby, you would get something like this. This right here is the new Decora Edge series from Leviton. And needless to say, I'm pretty sure other brands are going to start following this design shortly. Now let me show you why. So if you look carefully and you notice there are no screw terminals on this anywhere to be found on this outlet. Instead, Leviton has replaced them with these levers, which are actually color coded to show which wires go where. And the way they work is really easy. All you have to do is pull up on one of the levers and you're going to have to strip your wires about 9/16 of an inch, and you're going to slide it in to the back of your outlet and close the levers. And there you have a secure connection. No more messing with J-hooks, no more messing with your terminals and having to make sure that you have the correct screwdriver to tighten the screws. You literally just plug in your wire and you are done. So now, as of now, these outlets are only rated for 15 amp circuits, but to tell you the truth, I would expect that to change as these things gain in popularity. So now let's take a look at some of the features on this outlet. You can see that Leviton has included a strip gauge on our outlet, and it gives you basically a 9/16 strip length for your wire. And the holes on the back are rated for both 12 and 14 gauge wires. And I know you might be thinking that this is similar to the backstabbing feature on a lot of outlets, but it is not. Unlike backstabbing, which is a one-time use and is susceptible to the wires coming loose, the levers actually lock on to the wires. When you close them, as you can see here, they're locked on. And if you want to remove them, you just pull up on the lever and remove it. And you don't have to worry about compromising the integrity of the outlet or the wire that you had it clamped onto. So this also has the capability of separating the top outlet from the bottom outlet, just in case you wanted to add a switched outlet. As you can see here, there's a little tab that you just pry up on, and there is the breaker bar that you would just need to put the pliers in, twist it and break it, and you'll be able to separate your circuits from the top and the bottom. You can always flip it back down to cover the terminal here so that you don't have anything exposed in your junction box. It's like they listened to the community and they built this thing just for us. Huh, it's pretty cool. Not sure how much I would use this little tab. Chances are it looks like it'll probably break off over time, but it's a thought that counts. Thanks for thinking about us, Leviton. Now, if you want to see just how easy the installation process is for these things right here, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos to see this thing in action. And of course, don't forget to smash the like button to help spread the word to other DIYers about this new technology. Yo, trust me, I think this is going to change the game, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys how easy it is to install this thing. If you flip the outlet over, you can see that it has a tamper resistant feature and it has breakaway tabs on the top of the outlet here so that you can adapt to any mounting scenarios that you have, whether you have the old work box, standard metal box, or a new work box. Also, if you see here on the side, there's a little tab which basically allows you to align the outlet if you're connecting multiple outlets together. Let me show you. You can see here, they're lined up perfectly. They've definitely made it easy. It's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. Now, what else can I say about these things? They're definitely going to change the way you think about DIY electrical moving forward. So basically, Leviton made the outlet more DIY friendly. So if you're curious about replacing or installing a new outlet, you definitely might want to give these things a try. Now, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, as I'll definitely be doing more reviews about the Decora Edge series and also tutorials on how the installation process is. Until next time, I will see you guys later.